Scientists at the National Institutes of Health made a stunning declaration. They called Moringa the most nutritious plant ever discovered on Earth. And when you look at the evidence, it's hard to argue. More iron than spinach, more vitamin C than oranges, more calcium than milk. But here's what truly sets it apart. This plant contains all 9 essential amino acids your body cannot produce on its own. And now, emerging research suggests something even more remarkable, evidence of anti-cancer properties that could transform modern medicine. For centuries across Africa, the Middle East, and South Asia, people have called Moringa the miracle tree and the tree of life. Islamic scholars documented its healing properties over 1,000 years before modern medicine confirmed them with clinical trials and laboratory research. In the next few minutes, you'll discover 7 scientifically proven health benefits of this extraordinary plant, benefits backed by cutting-edge research. We'll explore what the Quran says about plants of healing and why the Book of Exodus points directly to Moringa's water-purifying power. And we'll see how the Hebrew concept of the tree of life, Etz Haim, connects to this remarkable botanical treasure. But benefit number 7? That's the one 2025 clinical trials say could completely change how we treat chronic disease worldwide. Benefit 1. Moringa's extraordinary ability to fight chronic inflammation throughout your entire body. Chronic inflammation is the silent killer behind heart disease, diabetes, arthritis, and countless other conditions that plague modern society. Moringa contains powerful compounds called isothiocyanates, plant chemicals that target inflammation at the cellular level, blocking the pathways that trigger disease. A study published in the Journal of Pharmacology found that Moringa extract reduced inflammatory markers by up to 43% in just 3 months. That's comparable to some pharmaceutical anti-inflammatory drugs, but without the side effects that often come with long-term medication use. Benefit 2. Addresses one of the fastest-growing health crises in the world today: blood sugar dysregulation and type 2 diabetes. Moringa has been shown to regulate blood sugar levels naturally, helping your body maintain healthy glucose metabolism throughout the day. Research from the International Journal of Food Sciences and Nutrition demonstrated that Moringa leaf powder reduced fasting blood sugar by 21%. And in another clinical trial, diabetic patients who consumed 7 grams of Moringa daily saw their post-meal blood sugar spikes drop significantly. The secret lies in compounds like chlorogenic acid, which slows sugar absorption in the intestines and improves insulin sensitivity in your cells. Benefit 3. Moringa's ability to purify and protect your body inside and out. This plant is packed with antioxidants, quercetin, beta-carotene, and vitamin C, that neutralize free radicals and prevent oxidative damage to your cells. A study in the Asian Pacific Journal of Cancer Prevention found that Moringa's antioxidant capacity exceeds that of many well-known superfoods. These antioxidants protect your liver, support kidney function, and help your body detoxify harmful substances you're exposed to every single day. But Moringa doesn't just purify your body, it can literally purify water, which brings us to benefit number 4. Benefit 4. In the Book of Exodus, Moses threw a tree into bitter water at Marah, and the water became sweet and drinkable. Many biblical scholars now believe that tree was Moringa, because modern science has confirmed its extraordinary water purification properties. Moringa seeds contain natural coagulants that bind to impurities, bacteria, and sediment, causing them to settle out of contaminated water. Research published in Environmental Science and Technology showed that Moringa seed powder removed up to 99% of bacteria from dirty water. This ancient miracle is now being used in developing nations to provide clean drinking water where modern filtration systems are unavailable. Benefit 5. Moringa's unmatched nutritional density, its ability to nourish the whole body at once. 100 grams of fresh Moringa leaves contain 9 times the protein of yogurt, 10 times the vitamin A of carrots, and 17 times the calcium of milk. It provides 25 times more iron than spinach and 7 times more vitamin C than oranges, all in a single, easily digestible plant. And remember those 9 essential amino acids we mentioned? They're the building blocks of protein that your body absolutely needs but cannot manufacture. This makes Moringa a complete protein source, rare in the plant kingdom and invaluable for vegetarians, vegans, and anyone seeking optimal nutrition. Organizations like the World Health Organization have recommended Moringa to combat malnutrition in regions where food security is a daily struggle. Benefit 6. Moringa's powerful ability to protect the brain and nervous system from degeneration and decline. Neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's are on the rise worldwide, and pharmaceutical solutions remain frustratingly limited. Moringa contains high levels of vitamins E and C, which have been shown to combat oxidative stress in brain tissue, a key driver of cognitive decline. Research published in Frontiers in Pharmacology demonstrated that Moringa extract improved memory function and reduced neuroinflammation in animal models of Alzheimer's disease. Another study found that Moringa's bioactive compounds support the production of neurotransmitters like serotonin and dopamine, critical for mood and mental clarity. This means Moringa doesn't just protect the brain, it actively supports cognitive performance, focus, and emotional well-being throughout your life. And now we arrive at Benefit 7, the one researchers say could change everything we know about treating chronic disease. Emerging evidence suggests that Moringa possesses anti-cancer properties, with compounds that may prevent tumor growth and even trigger cancer cell death. A study in the journal Oncology Letters found that Moringa leaf extract inhibited the growth of human pancreatic cancer cells by 70%. Another study published in PLOS 1 showed that compounds in Moringa induced apoptosis, programmed cell death, in breast cancer cells without harming healthy tissue. The active compounds include niacinamide, which has been shown to suppress the development of cancer cells in laboratory settings. Researchers at the University of Alabama found that Moringa extract reduced liver cancer cell proliferation and triggered cell cycle arrest in early-stage tumors. While we must be clear, Moringa is not a replacement for conventional cancer treatment, these early findings are genuinely extraordinary. Clinical trials scheduled for 2025 will explore Moringa's potential as an adjunct therapy alongside chemotherapy and radiation, with promising preliminary results. So you've seen the science, 7 remarkable benefits supported by rigorous research from institutions around the world. Now the question is, how do you take it? Moringa is available in several forms: powdered leaves, capsules, tea, and fresh leaves if you live in a region where the tree grows. The most common and convenient form is Moringa leaf powder, which you can easily add to smoothies, juices, soups, or even sprinkle over salads. Start with 1 teaspoon daily and gradually increase to 1 tablespoon as your body adjusts. This equals about 7 to 10 grams per day. If you prefer capsules, most health experts recommend between 500 and 1,000 milligrams twice daily with meals for optimal absorption. Moringa tea is another option. Steep dried leaves in hot water for 5 minutes, and drink it once or twice daily for gentle, sustained benefits. Always choose organic, high-quality Moringa from reputable sources to ensure purity and maximum nutrient retention without pesticides or contaminants. If you're taking medication or have underlying health conditions, consult your doctor before adding Moringa to your routine, especially if you're managing diabetes or thyroid issues. The evidence is clear. Moringa is more than folklore or tradition. It's a scientifically validated superfood with the power to transform your health. If this information opened your eyes, subscribe now for more evidence-based health discoveries that bridge ancient wisdom and modern science.